Hello people, I have got a very important video tutorial because when you use render in Softimage that one, sometimes you cannot see graphics card visible. I will show you because when I open up the scene, for example this one, I found the way how to fix that problem, because when I was opening up the scene, I couldn't see some of the settings related to my render. I will show you. When you go to render options, you don't have a visible graphics card anymore. This is a big issue what I was facing. I found the way what to do instead. To be able for you to see graphics card in Softimage, you have to use option merge instead. This also will import the scene, but you will have additional options. We have to turn wireframe on. Shaded. In render settings, you can have visible graphics card now, but I will load reset instead, because I don't want to do from the beginning. So I don't have to do settings from beginning, and I also will set up size. We also have some other settings like I forgotten where this was. In option probably light paths. Filter glossy, very important option. So I will overwrite settings once again, because you don't have to set your render from the beginning. This will work much quicker. Don't forget to uncheck transparent, otherwise your sky will not render properly. I have to move this little bit. Also don't forget sky background must be connected to Sycles sunlight, but I will talk about this maybe a little bit later on. And I will show you how fast it will be rendering in a minute. Render path of scene option, but you have to use settings from the beginning. And path options, at least I can load reset. I have to check if I have to load settings once again. Unfortunately, I have to do everything from the beginning. What you should do, rename rendering the terrain. I think after doing that I can export my preset, but why I'm showing you this, because Softimage does not see sometimes graphics card. Okay, I think I will be ready to render, and I will show you how fast that add-on works. I wanted to show you this. Sycles render for Softimage. I wanted to show you this maybe later on, because this is very quick render current path. I will check once again, because I do not want to overwrite my file, and render options, and I will switch to branch path tracing. I will check how slower it will be, because graphics card is quicker. Check how much GPU will be used, because for denoiser, for Intel ON image is using CPU Intel ON image, but now graphics card is being used, because I couldn't use my graphics card, because when I use option open the thing, I lost my settings related to graphics card. Even after when I applied higher values in render branched path tracing, because this will give me more realistic results. Also, I imported materials from Blender. You see how fast it is? I'm rendering in 2K resolution. Why 2K? 2K is better. It will give you vector results. Render pictures. I will show you how 2K resolution looks like. You see, we have very sharp details after rendering. This is a little bit too dark. I cannot stress this enough how important it is to use option merge instead. But when you use option merge, you will have to use settings. You have to set up your render from the beginning. You have to change your settings once again, unless you save the preset file. Preset file contains all settings. So this is why I didn't have to change all settings from the beginning, but I was able to import. I was able to fix missing graphics card when you use plugin Sycles. This what I told a couple days about, because you can use Sycles render inside Softimage. I hope you like this video tutorial.